Alright guys, today we're going to be going over a review for lessons 41 to 45. So we're going to sound out some words and then say them fast. Starting with this one. When I move my mouse, you'll say the sounds mad. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Mad. What word? Yes, mad. Don't be mad. Next word. When I move my mouse, you'll say see. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. See. What word? Yes, see. Next word. You'll say sad. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Sad. What word? Yes, sad. Last word. Get ready. You'll say add. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Add. What word? Yes, add. Next words, here we go. You'll say if. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. If. What word? If. Yes. If you keep working hard, you'll get smarter. Next word, you'll say the. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. What word? Yes, the. Next word. You'll say me. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Me. What word? Yes, me. Next word. You'll say is. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Is. What word? Yes, is. We say is. She is happy. Words, here we go. You'll say me. Get ready. Say it fast. Me. What word? Yes, me. Next word. You'll say that. Get ready. Again. Sound it out. Say it fast. What word? Yes, that. Next word. Get ready. The. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. The. What word? Yes, the. Next word is. Get ready. Again, get ready. Say it fast. What word? Yes, is. We say is. That dog is big. Alright guys, we're going to stop right there. Don't forget to review this again during the week. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.